Hi guys, this is Dr. Sandra. Today I am going to explain about some of the natural home remedies to cure common cold and cough. Trusting on home remedies is something that many Indian households still believe. Besides treating common cold and cough effectively, these home remedies are also free from any side effects. Here I have mentioned some of these home remedies that will help you treat common cold and cough. Now let us see the causes and symptoms of common cold and cough. Common cold is a contagious disease that can be caused by a number of viruses. More than 200 different types of viruses are known to cause the common cold, with rhinovirus causing approximately 30 to 40% of all adult colds. Rhinovirus able to multiply best at temperatures found in the nose. Symptoms of the common cold generally include cough, sore throat, low-grade fever, nasal congestion, runny nose, and sneezing. Coming to natural home remedies, first one will be the lukewarm water. Drinking of lukewarm water frequently helps in fighting against common cold, cough, and sore throat. Warm water reduces inflammation in the throat and helps in replenishing the fluids and infection out of the body. Gargle with salt water. This is an age-old therapy that effectively treats cough and cold. Adding turmeric in the salt water is also beneficial. Steam inhalation. It can be done in two ways. Either taking a steamy shower can help in clearing congestion, or first prepare a pot of hot water, stand above the kettle and drape a towel over your head for creating a tent-like structure and inhale the steam until it subsides. This also relieves cough by moistening dry throat. General practice we can observe in Indian houses is addition of commercially available balms like Jandu balm, Amrutanjan and Vicks vapor up to the boiling water before inhalation. It is an effective remedy to helps in clearing the congestion. Next one is the turmeric milk. Turmeric is an essential ingredient found in almost all Indian kitchens, has a strong antioxidant which helps in treating many health problems. Turmeric mixed in warm milk is a popular and effective way to fight against cold and cough. Drinking a glass of warm turmeric milk before sleeping helps in faster recovery from cold and cough. Next one will be the turmeric and ginger tea. Turmeric ginger tea helps in drying, running and dripping nose, thus expelling phlegm from the respiratory tract. Among various health benefits of ginger, it is known to soothe common cold and speeds up the recovery process. Next remedy is mixing of honey and lime juice to the warm water. This is a perfect dose to improve digestion and further circulation system. Adding honey and lime juice to the lukewarm water and drinking 2 to 3 times per day is the best solution in controlling common cold and cough. Next one is the tulsi ginger mixture. This can be done in two ways. First, extract the ginger juice, add crushed tulsi leaves to it and honey. Consume it as such, or add these components to warm water to prepare a tulsi ginger tea. Consuming this tea 2 to 3 times per day to get relief from the cough. Spicy tea. Add tulsi, ginger and black pepper while preparing your tea, and this spicy tea is a great for your health. These three ingredients play an important role in fighting a common cold and cough. Now let us rewind all natural home remedies to cure common cold and cough. First one, lukewarm water, gargle with salt water, steam inhalation, turmeric milk, turmeric ginger tea, honey lime juice and warm water, tulsi ginger tea, spicy tea. My sincere advice is don't use these natural home remedies for the kids who are below the age of 1 year. Thank you for your keen interest in this video and remember to like and subscribe for more videos. I wish you great health, prosperity and happiness. Thank you.